And churros, Tyler. Train and churros?
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everybody.
Hi guys. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday, to the weekend, so happy weekend, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I hope everybody plan to do some things and having fun, and yeah. We here, well, we did have fun this morning. We clean up the entire house. Yeah, so basically we are getting ready to go to town because since last week, since full months or full year, I hear babe, she always complain like she wants churros. Churros is like pastries, so I just say okay, let's go town today trying to find churros. So that's gonna be the mission. Yeah, so we're just ready. Tyler just wake up from his nap, so we're gonna make him ready and gonna wait on the bus because it's Saturday, there's less bus, and it's the beginning of the vacation for the school. So school is on break for 2 weeks, so let's see, maybe the street gonna be full, or well, let's see. So enjoy this vlog and
good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I haven't talked to you guys all morning because I've been so busy. Well, we both have been busy, but babe have been holding it down for me while I've been cleaning. He took care of Tyler. It's been a busy Saturday morning. Dog Tyler is there chilling. Tyler, look here, say hi. Tyler is chilling in his stroller. We're on the road actually, trying to run some errands and get some stuff done. After a long busy morning, we cleaned, we do what we have to do, and yeah, we're on the road right now. Of course, I'm on a mission to get churros today. I think babe tell you that. I'm on a mission to get churros. I've been craving churros for days. Bonjour, Tyler saying bonjour. I've been craving churros for days. I think. Hey, sweet boy. Hey. Hey, you just chilling? You're so handsome. No, you can't come out. Shh. Uh-oh. Water. Yes, water. Guys, we finally reached my churros spot and the line is so long, but we decided to stay in there anyways, and we're gonna get churros and something to drink, maybe some kind of, what do you call that, slushy or whatever the case may be, and and they have everything fatty that you can think of. Churros! Any of the red ones? Fries, I guess. Yes, honey. Churros, Tyler. Churros, Tyler. Ooh, Tyler eating churros. Babe, how's the churros?
Not good. I'm not disappointed.
Not disappointed at all, and we're having juice. After all that working this morning, the churros is well deserved. Train and churros, Tyler. Train and churros.
Geil, ich finde das dann 2 Jahre lang noch toll unter diesen Bedingungen zu arbeiten.
So you guys, it's holiday here in France for school. School is on 2 weeks break, and we're on the street where all the shopping goes on, and there's so much people, you guys. What you're seeing behind me right now is nothing compared to the amount of people that is out here. It's literally crazy. I want to go to the toy store to get Tyler a toy, and then I don't know where we're gonna end up after, but I think Babe also wants to go somewhere to look at something. So yeah, churros was really good. It's done, so box is empty, look, done. And we're having slushies. Tyler is still grubbing on his churros. That's Tyler's second one. But like I said, there's so much people out here, like a lot of people out here. It's so crazy. So for the next 2 weeks, this road is going to be full with people, like crazy full. That's just what in front of me is looking like, but if I show you down the street, there's so much people. So you guys, this is what it's looking like. This is a tramway right here, and people shopping on this side and on that side. So as far as my eyes can see, there's people shopping like crazy. There's so much people in comparison to a normal day, what it would normally look like. So yeah, it's crazy. You have H&M over there. You have, I think Zara is somewhere over here. Oh, Zara is behind me, just right here. Clothes, 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 clothes. All the way down the street, all the way down there shopping. But because school's on holiday, that's what it looks like. Shopping. Tyler, what is this? Spider-Man.
Wow.
Wow. What is that? What is that? Spider-Man. Let Papa pull it for you. He's obsessed with Spider-Man, like his shoes. Spider-Man, like your shoes. He says Sayan. Pasayan. It's Spider-Man. Yeah. Wow. Wow. You like it? Wow. You want Peppa Pig? How does he know it's in the bag?
Because he saw it at the store.
What? Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. He got this big painting set. What is that? Tyler, what is this? Painting? Painting, because you love painting. But you're not going to pull this one until tomorrow, okay? Give Papa bisou. Give Papa bisou and say thank you. And Mama bisou and say thank you. Bisou, Mama. Mwah. Hey guys, we've been back from off the road. We had a wonderful afternoon, right? Oh, babe?
That was cool. That was cool.
Oh yeah, I enjoyed my churros, and thanks babe for finally getting me my churros. I love you just a tad bit more just for getting me my churros. So churros was yummy. We went shopping for Tyler, which I didn't expect to get so much things, but knowing me, I'm
You
going to
better
get it all.
not enter in
I better not what?
enter in the store with your credit card.
He loves his Spider-Man, and he's enjoying his Play-Doh. You love your Peppa Pig Play-Doh? Yeah, and he's eating corn at the same time and watching TV. Spider-Man. You want your Spider-Man? So how you gonna do Spider-Man and corn and Play-Doh at the same time? Huh? And he has all this Play-Doh over there. You don't worry. What you don't worry want? You don't worry want the. Oh Jesus! You want his Spider-Man. You want his Spider-Man? Look, can you say bye to the faves? Say bye. Tell them bye. Say bye bye. You're just giving them the hand action. Say later. Say later. So why are you looking at them like that? Yeah, say tomorrow. All right. So babe finishing up Tyler corn, and I didn't cook this afternoon. Whenever I go on the road, cooking is just a no-no for me. So especially that we have churros
I'm surprised
late.
you didn't ask for pizza.
Honestly I want pizza, but I'm resisting.
Good. No,
I'm
Tyler, pasta.
resisting. Baby's
No.
having wine and Tyler wanted.
No.
I want pizza, but I'm resisting.
Okay.
Funny enough, I ordered the pizza from babe yesterday, and I said to babe, no, I changed my mind. Don't carry it because I'm working out too hard, and I recently have pizza a few weeks ago, so I don't want to have pizza now. Wait until a few weeks more before I have pizza. So yeah, we got back. Tyler's enjoying all his little snacks. I don't pull the painting though, not until tomorrow, even though he's been asking to pull it, but no, not tonight.
It's after 8.
Yeah,
It's close
almost
to
8, so he's going to bed now.
Soon doesn't make any sense.
So, and first we're going to give you the expression. Today's expression is going to be hardy as pitney dead in a sun heart. My grandmother always uses this expression. Hardy as pitney dead in a sun heart. When you have a child and they don't listen when you talk to them, Tyler, stop! Tyler, no! Tyler, no! No, no, no! And you talk to them over and over and over and over and they don't hear you, that's what you say. Hard is pitney dead in a sun heart. If you can't hear, something else is gonna happen to you. You won't stop what your parents say to stop doing until something happened to you. Hard is pitney dead in a sun heart. Say it.
Hard
ears pitney dedina sun hot. Yes, hard ears pitney dedina sun hot. Tell her, what did you say what all right you guys, so that's the Jamaican expression for today. What's the French expression for today? Our word,
the French expression is going to be a French word. This is about French speciality. When you go in to other country and they talk about French, most of the time they use baguette, but there's also one specialty that we are very proud. This is so I wanted to say the translation of this in French. It's called vin. And we have one of the best vin, or the best vin in the world.
that's true. So tell them what it is in English.
So vin is wine.
Yes, and I love me some French wine,
This
but
is pink one.
It have to be pink or white, and it have to be
sweet.
There we go.
Because she don't really like wine.
If it don't sweet,
it's like person who take coffee and put 5 sugar in their coffee.
Just like me, I can't have coffee if it's not
take coffee?
full of milk.
Take a
Black
Coca-Cola?
coffee, ew.
Take a Coca-Cola and warm it.
That kind of makes sense. All right, you guys, you're so hilarious.
You
babe.
say it?
No, va.
Right.
All right, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if it's your first time watching. Leave a comment down below and let us know that you all watched. Okay, let us know. We love hearing from you guys. We love to know what part of the vlog was your favorite, what you guys enjoy the most about the vlog of today, and all that good stuff. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Tomorrow.